It is still snowing, guys. So this is Refuel Ride Race. It cannot be anything, just passion. In any kind of weather. The winter is not saying goodbye. I really don't know how long it can take. Good morning, guys. I am taking my Suzuki SV650 to the 20,000 kilometers service, and right now I am already on my way to Ljubljana. Let me welcome you to today's episode. ...650cc bike, 6 positions. I have to tell you that this weather in April, so these first days, this is really strange. Yesterday and 2 days ago there was snow, so it is really not expected to snow in the beginning of April. It happened, but it was not expected this year, so it's strange. I have to say that I checked the temperature yesterday, and they said 1, 2 or 3 degrees, and as I saw earlier in this morning, it is 2 degrees. In Postojna there will be -1 because there it's always very cold. Some words about Postojna. Here it's the opportunity to say something about Postojna, and I have to say that it is well known, or let's say famous, because of the worldwide known cave, so Postojnska caves, that generates thousands and thousands, 100,000 of visitors. It is the most visited tourist attraction in Slovenia, and it is a must when you are in Slovenia. So from now on you know what to visit in Postojna. Otherwise, in Postojna there is also a castle. It's called Predjamski Grad, so Predjamski Castle, and it is also a nice tourist place. So these two are probably the most important two things to see, two attractions to see in Postojna. It feels like -1, and you can also see on the road that there is wet, and probably also it was, or still it is, some ice. Now we are approaching Logatec, and as you see, it is snowing a bit. This is almost a miracle. So snow in the beginning of April. I have to take it easy here, because as you see, there is snow also on the trees. So probably here it's snowing for some time, I think. It is still snowing, guys. So this is Refuel Ride Race. It cannot be anything, just passion in any kind of weather. We are now in Vernica. This is a well-known place of birth of a very famous Slovenian writer, Ivan Cankar. So here it is, also his childhood house, and I have to say that the snowing, it's gone. I am in Ljubljana right now, and it's still very, very cold. I think it's 1 degree. I mean 1 degree plus. And you know what? In the meantime, I had the opportunity to think, and when getting my next bike, I will seriously consider the heated grips. I still have something like 10 kilometers till getting to the service, and I think that they are gonna change the oil filter like always, spark plugs, the fluid of the brakes, and they will also check the tension of the chain, like they always do. This is the place. So we are here. You can see many bikes, so it's crowded. Okay, let's put the bike here. Suzuki V-Strom Africa Twin, Yamaha Tracer, again Tracer. Dobar dan, dobar dan. Back on the road again, guys. I waited for 2 hours, but it was really worth it. I mean, I am very satisfied right now, as I am always with this company in Ljubljana, SMK, the service of motorcycles in Ljubljana, here in BTC. So they replaced the spark plugs, 4 of them, because this bike has 4 spark plugs. Changed the oil filter, changed the fluid of the brakes, and checked also the air filter. So right now the bike works perfectly, and it's ready for the season.